Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't been posting recently, but I've been posting more on my Instagram and my TikTok. So if you want to see more recipe videos more frequently, check that out. But today's recipe video is spicy tomato ramen, and this is my favorite ramen recipe at the moment. You want to saute some onion in olive oil for 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat, and then add some minced garlic until the mixture becomes fragrant. Then add some spicy broad bean paste and gochujang, which is fermented Korean red pepper paste. Then add tomato, and you want to saute that for a minute or two till the tomato softens. Then I'm adding vegetable stock and water. Then add a strip of dried kombu seaweed and let that simmer on low for 5 minutes before adding your noodles. And I'm using this Japanese tomato seasoning. They sent me a couple of these just to try out. So I got the tomato one and then also the vegetable one. They're both vegan and then all natural. This is actually so good. I usually don't use like packaged things for my cooking. Like I usually like to cook from scratch, but I wanted to try this and make like a creative recipe video like with tomato flavor. But I will put substitution ingredients in the description box below. But if you did want to get these, they do free worldwide shipping. So I'm using a sachet of this tomato seasoning, but if you don't have this, you can add a bit more chopped tomato and a hint of salt. When your noodles are al dente, add 1 tablespoon of Korean red pepper powder and some white pepper. Then remove the piece of kombu and serve your ramen. I recommend adding spring onion and black sesame seeds. And that's it. I think this is my favorite ramen recipe that I've made. Adding the tomato seasoning and the fresh chopped tomato just adds so much flavor and dimension to the broth. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like shin ramyun, but creamier and with tomato flavor. It's so good. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe video. I'll probably also be posting this recipe on my Instagram as like a shorter, like 30-second video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.